Hi, I'm Sophie. I'm over on Instagram, Sophixgrace, same as this YouTube channel. I'm not very big. I have around 160 followers, but I really am aspiring to be a makeup artist when I'm older, so hey, why not share it with the world? So today I'm going to be doing this beautiful heart look. So if you guys like to see how to do it, let's keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to go into the James Charles palette, and we are going to go into the shade Pinkity Drinkity, and we're going to go right into the crease with a fluffy brush. Okay, so now that you're done with that, you're going to go into Rusted with the same brush, only a little bit of product though, and then go right under that, but in the crease still. Then you're going to go into You're Kidding, and you're going to bring that to the outer corner and then blend up. Okay, so now that you're done with that, you're going to go into Skip, and you're going to pick up a lot of product, and you're going to go right over You're Kidding. Okay, so then you're going to go back in with Pinkity Drinkity on a fluffy round top brush, and you're going to blend out the edges. So next, I'm going to go in with the Hard Candy Glamouflage Concealer in the shade Light, and we're going to cut out the crease. Okay, so now once you have cut the crease, you're going to go in with the Stila Gold Liquid eyeshadows in the shade Cloud, and you're going to go right over top that. Okay, so then once you're done with that, you're going to go in the same brush that you used earlier, and you're going to blend the outer edge of the cut crease. And there you go, you got your eye complete. I'm going to go ahead and do this eye, and I'll be right back to you guys. So now that I'm done with both my eyes, and I have primed with the NYX Born to Glow facial primer, it's an illuminating primer, we're going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. So this has a doe foot applicator. I cannot talk. And we're going to stroke this on. Okay, so now that we look like a 3-year-old just drawn all over us, we're going to go in with the damp Tarte makeup sponge and start blending. We are going to be going into the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and we're going to go hit our under eyes, our forehead, nose, chin, and then anywhere where you have spots, and again blend with the sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Looks like this in the shade Fair. Tap some out and then bake with it. And for baking, I use the Real Techniques beauty sponge. I just go under the eyes. Anywhere you put concealer, you bake. I'm going to go in with the angled brush and the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And I'm going to bronze up my face. And you want to be careful because this stuff is pigmented. We'll see. And now you're going to wipe off your bake. Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 110, and with a fluffy brush, and I go over this and blend it. See? So we're going to hold off on blush and highlight because we're going to do the under eyes and then we're going to do the hearts across the nose. So I'm going to go on the same brush with the excess product because I'm not going to add too much because I don't want it to get like everywhere. And we're going to go just under the lash line with the same 2 shades in the James Charles palette. Okay, so now that we have the bottom lash line done, we can go on to the hearts. So I've been trying to think of the best way to do it. And I think I'm going to do the little red spots, and then I'm going to go in with a concealer brush and do the heart. So I'm going to try to do one off camera, and then if I can figure it out, then I will come back to you guys. Okay. So you're going to go into your Kidding and Skip in the James Charles palette on a small brush, and you're just going to make a circle. Okay, so once you've got that, you're going to go in with a very, very small brush. Ignore what's on my hand. And the same concealer that I used to cut my crease. And you're going to put some on the back of your hand. Pick it up with the brush. Pick only a little bit up. And then draw a heart. So you're just going to draw a heart. That's probably better than that one is. But you're going to draw a heart. And yeah, that's about that simple. I'm going to go off camera, finish them, and then I'm going to show you guys what to do afterwards. Okay, so I have finished doing all of them. Some look better than others. But now we're going to go back into the James Charles palette. And we are going to go into the shade. We're going to go into the shade Canvas and Flashback. I'm going to use a small, like, packing brush to put those. So we're going to set the little hearts so then they don't, like, be all weird. So I have run out of lashes, which, rest in peace, I gotta go to the store and get some more. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes and use the Tarte Man Eater and the L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise. So I'm going to use these two on my lashes and curl them. Okay, and then for lipstick, I'm going to go into the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this is the chocolate line, and this is in the shade Dose of Cocoa. It smells literally so good. And then I'm going to go do my hair really quick and I will be back. Okay, so this is the finished look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to, please leave a like on this video, comment down below what you guys would like to see me do next, and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. I am Sophie and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys!